Every morning, millions of people around the world mix a scoop of collagen powder into water, believing it might slow aging itself. A daily ritual, wrapped in promises of smoother skin, stronger hair, healthier joints, and somehow a younger version of ourselves. The collagen industry is now worth billions of dollars, and every year it keeps growing. But behind the glossy packaging, the celebrity endorsements, and the endless before and after photos, there's a question most people never stop to ask. When you drink collagen, does it actually reach your skin? Or does your body simply break it apart, digest it like any other protein, and forget it ever existed? Because somewhere between science, marketing, and hope, collagen became one of the most successful wellness products on Earth. And today, we're going to find out why. What collagen really is, what happens after you swallow it, why some brands cost $20 while others cost $200, and whether the collagen industry is selling science or selling the illusion of control over aging itself. To understand collagen supplements, we first need to understand collagen itself. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It exists in your skin, your tendons, your cartilage, your bones, your blood vessels. It's the structural framework holding your body together. If the body were a building, collagen would be the steel reinforcement inside the concrete. And in the skin specifically, collagen helps create firmness, elasticity, and structure. But there's a problem. Starting in our 20s, our natural collagen production begins to decline, slowly at first, then faster over time. Sun exposure damages it, smoking accelerates it, poor sleep weakens repair processes. Sugar, stress, pollution, aging, all gradually break collagen down, which is why wrinkles form. Skin loses elasticity, and the wellness industry saw an opportunity worth billions. But scientifically, there's something important most advertisements rarely explain. Collagen is an enormous molecule. Its structure looks like 3 protein chains twisted together like a rope. A triple helix. And that creates a fundamental question. Because your body does not absorb giant protein structures intact, it can't. Your digestive system is designed to break proteins apart, which means when you drink collagen, your stomach immediately begins destroying the thing you just paid for. Inside the stomach, acid and digestive enzymes begin cutting collagen into smaller and smaller pieces. Large proteins become shorter chains. Those chains become peptides, then even smaller fragments, and eventually, individual amino acids. This is where terms like collagen peptides, hydrolyzed collagen, low molecular weight suddenly start appearing everywhere. Because the entire collagen supplement industry revolves around one idea. Smaller molecules may be easier for the body to absorb. And this is why brands obsess over something called Dalton size. Daltons are simply units used to measure molecular mass. In simple terms, the smaller the Dalton number, the smaller the molecule. Some brands advertise 5,000 Daltons, others advertise 2,000. Some even claim ultra-small collagen peptides below 500 Daltons. The implication is obvious. Smaller equals better absorption, better results, better skin. But reality is more complicated, because not all peptides behave the same way. Think of amino acids like Lego blocks. A peptide is simply a short chain of those blocks connected together. A dipeptide contains 2 amino acids. A tripeptide contains 3. And researchers became especially interested in these tiny fragments, because some studies discovered that certain collagen peptides may survive digestion long enough to enter the bloodstream. Not as full collagen, but as bioactive peptide fragments. And this changes the conversation completely, because collagen might not work by replacing collagen directly in the skin. Instead, some scientists believe these peptides may act more like biological signals that potentially stimulate fibroblasts, the cells responsible for producing collagen naturally, which means collagen supplements may function less like construction material and more like messengers. That distinction matters a lot, because the marketing often suggests collagen travels directly to your face, like repair cement filling wrinkles from the inside. But biology doesn't work that way. Your body distributes nutrients according to survival priorities, not cosmetic priorities, which means the collagen you consume could be used in many different ways throughout the body. Some may contribute to skin health, some may support joints, some may simply become energy. And this is why collagen research produces mixed expectations. Some studies show improvements in skin hydration and elasticity after several weeks. Others show modest or limited effects. But one thing appears consistently. If collagen works at all, it's usually gradual, subtle, and nowhere near the instant transformation promised by social media marketing. So if the science is still nuanced, why did collagen become such a massive industry? The answer lies partly in biology, but mostly in psychology. Because collagen sits perfectly at the intersection of three powerful human desires: health, beauty, and control over aging. And once companies realized that, collagen stopped being just a protein. It became branding, luxury branding, scientific branding, anti-aging branding. Which explains why one collagen product costs $15 while another costs $150. Sometimes the difference comes from sourcing. Marine collagen from fish is often marketed as cleaner or more absorbable. Bovine collagen from cows is common in many supplements. Some products undergo more extensive hydrolysis processes. Some include additional ingredients: vitamin C, CoQ10, hyaluronic acid, zinc, antioxidants, and scientifically, vitamin C actually matters because your body literally requires vitamin C to synthesize collagen properly. Without it, collagen production weakens, which means taking collagen while ignoring nutrition entirely misses part of the picture. But here's where the industry becomes complicated. Many products spend far more money on marketing than on meaningful formulation differences. Clean packaging, celebrity endorsements, luxury aesthetics, influencer testimonials. The language becomes carefully engineered, clinically proven, ultra-absorption, advanced peptide technology, younger skin from within. And technically, some of those phrases may not be false, but they often simplify biology into something emotionally irresistible. Aging becomes framed as a problem you can buy your way out of, and consumers respond to that message incredibly well. Because collagen isn't just selling skin health, it's selling reassurance. The reassurance that maybe aging can still be negotiated with. And social media accelerated everything. Suddenly, beauty routines became public identity. Supplements became lifestyle aesthetics. People no longer just wanted to be healthy. They wanted to optimize themselves. And collagen fit perfectly into that culture. Simple, daily, hopeful. A powder mixed into water that symbolized taking control, even if the science itself remained more complex than the marketing suggested. So, is collagen a scam? Not exactly, but it's also not magic. The most honest scientific answer is probably somewhere in the middle. Some collagen peptide supplements may support skin hydration, elasticity, or joint health in certain people, especially when taken consistently over time. But collagen alone cannot override biology. No supplement can fully compensate for chronic sleep deprivation, excessive UV exposure, smoking, poor nutrition, or constant stress. In fact, if you truly want to preserve collagen in your body, the most effective strategies are often surprisingly unglamorous. Sleep, protein intake, sun protection, exercise, stress management, nutrition. The fundamentals still matter more than almost any supplement. And perhaps that's the uncomfortable truth behind the entire wellness industry. The things that genuinely improve health are usually slower, less exciting, and harder to market. There's no viral luxury aesthetic for consistent sleep, no glamorous packaging for reducing stress, no influencer code for avoiding excessive sun damage. But biologically, those habits matter enormously, which means the smartest way to approach collagen is neither blind belief nor total cynicism. It's understanding. Understanding what the science actually says. Understanding what marketing exaggerates. And understanding that aging was never something humans were meant to completely defeat, only influence. Because maybe the real story behind collagen was never about looking younger forever. Maybe it's about something much more human. Our desire to hold on to time for just a little bit longer.